Dear women, welcome to the channel once again. If you are thinking to start your own classes or you are just planning in your mind to become self-employed teacher, you are looking for something where you can actually work, you can use your potential, at the same time you can take care of your family, and starting your own coaching business is the best option for you. And if you are constantly thinking how you can start your coaching business, any classes, but you are a bit confused how to start, from where to start, how to exactly get students, or what are the steps you need to take to start your coaching business, you may not have any experience. So because of this whole confusion, might be you are not taking steps to actually start your classes. So here I would like to share 6 structured steps. 6 steps. These steps are trial and tested. We are using these steps. Many teachers are using these steps. So you can use these 6 steps to start and run your successful coaching business. Of course, Abacus, but with Abacus you can start any coaching business using these 6 steps. So what is the first step? First, very important step. Know your subject very well. Choose any one subject, Abacus, Vedic mathematics, handwriting, calligraphy, anything. But whatever you will choose, be firm on it, have thorough knowledge of it, or know all technicalities of the subject. So that is first important step. Second step, understand your own plus factor and core values. Now what is plus factor? So I consider this plus factor is nothing but your unique ability to make your students understand that subject. Now in first step you learned all technicalities, you understood your subject, you practice it well. So this is all about the technical aspects of subject. Now delivering that technical aspect of the subject requires your own skills and your own unique ability. That ability is in you only, and everyone has that unique ability. If you are thinking to become teacher, I'm sure you have that unique ability. Now you have to think about that, what is that unique ability you have. So bring out that unique ability, which will help your student, your child, to understand the subject in easy way. So you don't need punishments and scolding and beating. You don't need all these things if you understand your unique abilities to make your child understand your subject. So what you have to do, you have to merge your abilities with that subject and deliver that subject. Then your child, then your students will enjoy learning with you. So that is second step. In second step, with plus factor, you also have to understand your core values. What are your personal values? See, when you become self-employed teacher, you are starting your small business. So that business has some values, but before that, you need to understand what are your values. So because when your own values are aligned, when you are aligned with your values and then you take action and decision, it becomes more easy, it becomes joyful. So your journey as a teacher will be very happy journey when you know your core values and when you use these core values in your coaching business, in your classes. So I'll repeat: step number 1, be thorough with your subject. Step number 2, identify your plus factor, your unique ability and your personal values, core values. So merge everything and then deliver the subject. Third step, now you are done with your subject technicalities, your own identifying your own values and all. Now the third step is design, structure and discipline rule of your class. Design, have some structure of your class, the timing of your class, what are the rules, attendance rules and parents meeting rules. So have the discipline, structure, rules and regulations of your class. Basic. It should not be very strict, but it should not be very lenient. Okay, so there must be, you can be flexible with the timings, but there must be some fixed timings of your classes. So have some rules. Okay, so timing rules and attendance and parents meeting. So you can design basic rules so that you will have a structure of your class. You will act based on that structure. At the same time, your students and parents will understand that is the structure of your class. So when in Abacus we have quarterly parents meeting, so they have to follow the timings and there are some basic attendance rules. So out of 12 sessions they have to attend 9 sessions and all. So these all discipline rules will bring that sincerity, seriousness in that subject. And when your child and parents become sincere about the subject, they get more benefit of the subject. So this is the third step. Now the fourth step is start contributing and solving others' problems. So based on the knowledge you have, based on your subject expertise, your values, your unique plus factor. Based on all these things, now what you have to do, you have to start contributing values in parents life, in your students life, children's life, so that they will get benefited from you, from your knowledge, from your values. So you can charge minimum or you can just do it free of cost. That will help your parents to understand you in better way. That will help your students to understand you, your skills, your abilities in better way. Start helping parents solve their problem. For an example, you are a smart abacus teacher and you are good in table making. You can just conduct a small workshop or 1 hour workshop for parents or for students where they will learn how to make tables easily. And you have that ability to deal with the fear of maths. So you can help students to deal with their maths, to get rid of the fear of mathematics. So you can help child over there and you can help parents there. So you can teach them a basic exercise. So you can conduct demo classes or workshops or free seminars or one-on-one session for students where you will actually contribute something in their life. In this 5th step, you can announce your batch. You can offer to parents or students something best where they will really get benefited. There are more chances that parents will connect with you because you have already shared values. And based on these 5 steps, when you are firm in these 5 steps, it will become more helpful to you to offer them something best. See, design of your brochures, design of your website, logo, advertising material, all these are secondary things. The most important is your own study, your own readiness, your own homework you have done before you start your class. So the research you have done, what are your plus factor, what are the things you are going to use while teaching students, how you are bringing out your creativity in the best possible way for your students. All these things are going to matter a lot. What are the values you are sharing with students, with parents, how you are helping them. When you have done all these things, these are the foundations. If you are ready, if you are very clear with this foundation, there will be more chances to create your batch in first attempt rather than announcing your batch directly before this homework. If you are, just imagine you have not done anything, step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, 4, 5, you have not done any homework on this and you are just announcing, you are just telling parents and people that you are a abacus teacher. Who will know? Before you take something from them, you have to give something to society. So what are you giving them? Without breathe out, you cannot breathe in next breath. So before you take next breath, you have to first breathe out. So breathe out, give something and then expect to get something. And the last step is repeat from step number 4. It means start contributing and keep contributing, keep contributing. So if you feel that I have done this free workshop one time and now all set, it will go on autopilot, it will not happen. You have to keep on doing it. You have to keep on contributing. You have to keep on helping people. So when you do this on a regular basis, you will not have to struggle to create your batch. So preparing your space with good interior and creating your best logos, brochures, that is one part and that is secondary part. But before that, these steps are the foundation. This is what I feel. I use this. My many teachers use this. And you can surely use this and you will get good result if you use these steps honestly. So I hope this will help you for sure. And if you are planning to start your own abacus or Vedic mathematics coaching business, we are here to help you to walk through these 6 steps. So you can connect with us. Thank you so much. This is Shubhada Bhave, teacher, trainer, entrepreneur and parent.